Ah, Visual Studio Code. Remember the excitement of opening it for the first time? That blank canvas staring back at you, just waiting for your first project. The possibilities felt endless. But then reality hit. Mysterious errors popped up. Formatting turned into a nightmare, and before I knew it, I was wasting hours toggling between tabs. It felt like trying to paint the Mona Lisa with a toothbrush. But then, I discovered extensions. Game Changer. These tools didn't just make me a better coder, they made me a faster and more efficient one. And today, I'm here to help you do the same. If you're a beginner programmer, especially working with JavaScript or web development, stick around. I've got 5 must-have VS Code extensions that'll take your coding from chaotic to streamlined. First up, we've got Error Lens. Picture this. You're coding away, everything seems fine, then boom, cryptic error messages the second you run your code. Error Lens eliminates that pain. This extension highlights errors and warnings right in your code. No more endless scrolling to find the culprit. It's all in front of you. For beginners, this is huge. It's like having a second set of eyes catching your mistakes in real time. And hey, faster fixes mean quicker learning. Next, we've got JavaScript, ES6, code snippets. If you're new to programming, memorizing JavaScript syntax can be a struggle. But why type out everything from scratch when you don't have to? This extension gives you ready-made snippets for common operations, arrow functions, promises, you name it. It's a lifesaver for speeding up your workflow and learning best practices as you go. Save time, learn faster, and code smarter. That's a win-win-win. Here's the deal. Clean, consistent code is easier to read, debug, and share. And that's where Prettier comes in. Prettier formats your code for you. It aligns, spaces, and organizes everything perfectly with a single click. For beginners, this takes the guesswork out of styling and helps you focus on logic instead of indentation wars. Trust me, clean code means fewer headaches. And with Prettier, your future self will thank you. APIs are the backbone of web development, and testing them is a must. But switching between your editor and a separate tool like Postman? That's so 2020. With Thunder Client, you can test APIs right inside VS Code, send requests, inspect responses, and even debug endpoints, all without leaving your editor. For beginners, this is an excellent way to understand how APIs fit into your projects while saving you tons of time. Finally, let's talk HTML. Ever update an opening tag and forget to change the closing one? Yeah, we've all been there. Auto Rename Tag solves that by automatically syncing your opening and closing tags. It's a simple tool, but it prevents small mistakes that can lead to big debugging headaches. Fun fact, even a 2% improvement in typing efficiency can boost your overall productivity by 10%. Sometimes it's the little things that make the biggest difference. Becoming a great programmer isn't just about learning syntax, it's about working smarter. These 5 VS Code extensions, Error Lens, JavaScript, ES6, code snippets, Prettier, Thunder Client, and Auto Rename Tag will save you time, reduce frustration, and make your code cleaner and more efficient. So before you start your next project, take a moment to install these. Your future self will thank you. And remember, it's not about how many hours you code, it's about how effective those hours are. With the right tools, you'll not only write better code, you'll enjoy the process.